The process of installing window tint on a vehicle is one that we get asked quite a bit. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean the panel, that means the glass, as thoroughly as possible. Sometimes we're even going to pull trim pieces or rubber moldings out to make sure there's no dust or debris on the panel. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the film that the customer picks based on the darkness and based on the material that they wanted in raw rolls of film. This film will then be laid up against the vehicle and will be trimmed to the size that's approximate, but just a little bit larger than the glass itself. The next process is what they call shrinking, and what shrinking is because your glass is a curved surface, usually, on your car, but the film is a flat piece of film, it has to be shrunk to actually cling to and to be shaped so that way you're not going to see any bubbles or any creases or any excess product on the film. Once that is shrunk and sized properly to your exact vehicle specifications based on your exact needs, then we do the process of actually adhering it to the vehicle. You're going to usually see someone do something called a slip solution. This is a wet moisture that is sprayed on the inside of the glass. That way, the sticky film can be stuck up against the glass and be able to still slip and move into the place to where we can get it perfectly aligned. Once it's perfectly aligned and we have it exactly where we want it, then we start the process of removing the moisture that's under the film. We squeegee that out, we cure it, we make sure it looks amazing, we do a final quality control check, and then your car is ready to be picked up. That's basically the process of window film install in a nutshell.